Hello. For our semester project, Jackson Gosnell, Evan Branyan, and I, Noah Rigsby, developed a virtual art museum. Art museums offer guests a fun and engaging environment where they can learn about the history of art and sculptures. Due to the recent events of the pandemic, people have had less interaction with these arts. As a team, we wanted to bring this engagement back to each user. Thus, we created the Clemson Virtual Museum, where users can interact with sculptures and art pieces in a fun and engaging way. Now, I will show you the features of our project in Unity. Hello. In this video, I'll be going over the key features of our VR project. So let's first discuss the outside environment. Some key features of our outside environment is our movable trees, as well as our movable banner. Along with this, we also have spatialized audio, which is attached to the trees, such as the bird sounds, and the spatialized audio, which is attached to the speakers, such as the Coldplay soundtrack. Some pretty cool features we also implemented is the mountain range that we have surrounding our scene, as well as the skybox that we have implemented. So now let's go into our museum. Another key feature we have, and let's discuss real quick, is our doors. Both of these doors are interactive doors, so the user can go up to them, they can grab them, and they can open them. It's pretty cool. So now that we are inside our museum, we'll be greeted with a GUI. And this GUI will explain what the user is required to do, what tool they need, and where to go. So let's spawn on a chisel real quick. Boom. So now we have our chisel, and let's go to the sculpture exhibit. So the chisel itself is a key feature because it helps to reveal the hidden sculptures behind each of these stone blocks. We'll show you that real quick. So we have no idea what this sculpture is, or even if there is a sculpture, but let's find out. Wow. We now have the painting, the sculpture revealed of Perseus with the head of Medusa by Antonio Canova from 1757 to 1822 of Venice. Now, let's show you another cool feature, or key feature we have of our virtual museum. So we'll go back to our GUI and let's spawn in the paintbrush, and let's go to the painting exhibit, and we'll show you that key feature. So here we'll spawn in our paintbrush, and boom. Alright, let's grab it. Let's go. So here we're going to go to the left. Both the left and the right sides are painting exhibits. Let's go to the left real quick. So in this exhibit, of course, you see that they are just blank canvases with no titles and nothing. So let's reveal them real quick. The user will grab this paintbrush and he will touch the painting itself, or the canvas. And boom, the painting will be revealed, which is Nighthawks by Edward Hopper of 1942. And this is a pretty cool feature we have implemented because each of these paintings can be interacted with both in this section and in that section. Thank you for letting me explain some of the key features of our project.
We also came across several challenges this semester. Initially, we had to design our museum, including how to interact with sculptures and artwork, and where we would get them from. We solved this by covering the objects and would reveal them with either a chisel or a paintbrush. After talking with Dr. Rob, we used JPEGs for our paintings, and we got our sculptures from the Smithsonian Museum website and an asset collection we purchased. We also used Blender to lower the poly count of the Smithsonian objects and to create destructible blocks to cover up our works. These blocks kept sticking inside of our statues though, so we removed their collision meshes so they'd fall straight down. At the end, we made an audio script that used tags to play different audio when the chisel or paintbrush was dropped on different surfaces. Overall, our team was able to solve and improve on the solutions of many different issues we faced this semester.
Feedback. We delivered an excellent presentation and our feedback reflected that. Some examples of which, Matthias, quote, excellent, really interactive. If you continue development, try only rendering what's in front of the camera. Attempt multi-threading if development continues from today. And Nick said, hey, this is pretty awesome, good job. Some of the art could be organized in hierarchy. The biggest takeaways from this come in the form of further development. These points touched on runtime performance and project organization management. Concerning runtime performance, our trees and banners were moving us to simulate wind. This could be augmented by adding multi-threading to our scene. Additionally, we were rendering the entire scene at runtime rather than just what's in front of the camera. That could be fixed with some camera angles and planes. As far as organization goes, many of our assets were left outside of the file hierarchy within the scene. This could be easily amended by creating empty game objects to more easily reflect their group's nature. That's all we've got for today. Stay posted for future development, and thank you.